I am Chirag Michael from BCAS City Campus in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So today I am going to talk about OLEV, which means Online Electronic Vehicles. Not only me, but also my team members, and we did a good research about the OLEV, online vehicles. I'm going to first of all I'm going to talk about what's the online vehicles. What is online electronic vehicles? It means the online electronic vehicles is a vehicle. It's traveling by, it's running by, how I say, it's engine working by electronic magnetic field by the road. It means no more any petroleum emission, and no more costs, and no more any trouble for the planet. So researching organization, it means the Korea has done the project about the what is OLEV. They done the OLEV. So we are researching about the OLEV. So we are finding, and we are searching, and what's the impact, and what's the effects for the car manufacturers. So there are many benefits for from these online electronic vehicles. So trouble of petroleum emissions. Nowadays there are a lot of troubles using the petroleum emission. Our planet is getting so much trouble. Our planet face so much trouble regarding this petroleum emission. So there's a good research found continuing from the Korea, how to reduce the petroleum emission and how to introduce the online electric vehicles. So further details, one of my team member will explain. Please take it. So, Ahmed.
Hello, I'm Ahmed. Now let me explain one of the major bullet points of why online vehicle has introduced to this world. And these are bullet points, the major bullet points that online vehicle introduced to the world. And let me explain one by one. First, we'll see the why carbon dioxide emission. It's a major and a huge disaster for the human's life, and that's why the main reason that online electrical vehicle has been introduced to the world. So today the lifestyle is this, and tomorrow lifestyle is different. People expect they are to change their lifestyle, and that's why the technology has developed more and more to the humans needs, and they are the best innovation, and one of the best innovation is online electrical vehicle. So that's why, and the main reason of to introduce online electrical vehicle is carbon emission, because the carbon emission affects the global warming, and that's why, and one of the main important reason is this. And the next major bullet point is low of fuel or low of petroleum. Now the world is facing more and more disasters on petroleum, because the world is expecting petroleum to transportation in the field of transportation sector. So it is a good alternative source. The online vehicle is a good alternative source for the low of petroleum. And the next major bullet point is increase the growth of environment, or increase the growth of people's needs and humans life. And we can do many forestation on online if we use online electrical vehicle, because it doesn't emit carbon dioxide. And the next bullet point that I am going to explain is people's health. Carbon emission affects the people's health, because when carbon dioxide go into the human's body, it affects human's body, and there are parts of them. And if we use online electrical vehicle, it's a good major alternative source for this. And the next bullet point is impact on fuel companies. So let me explain some reasons why online vehicle is introduced, and what will impact for the fuel companies. What will the fuel companies will do after introducing online electrical vehicle? A fuel company's profit is the main profit is by selling the fuel to the customers. And why the customers buy? Using fuel. If the customers buy, sorry for that, people buy fuel for the transportation sector. People, if they use only petroleum vehicles, they need fuel. If they doesn't use petroleum vehicle, they don't need it. So what the fuel companies will do? They need to shut down their company and go ahead. So the fuel companies will definitely will disagree to this. And the next thing is what the car sellers will do or car manufacturers will do. Around the world there are many car manufacturers. One of the best car manufacturers is Toyota. What the Toyota company will do after selling more lakhs and lakhs of cars, what are the cars going to happen? What will happen for the cars? The people will sell that and buy into online vehicles. I think it will take many years for that. So largest impact for the car manufacturers and fuel companies. So that are the main things. They are the main who disagree for online vehicle. The next thing what I'm going to explain is about our research and who are cooperated very well, and we did research on this online electrical vehicle and we had a great success on our project. So let me call upon my colleagues to the stage. Our group head Mr. Michael will explain about the research and how they are cooperated very well, and let me shut down now.
Hello everybody, once again. So we are continuing, we are not stopping this research from here. We are continuing every day and we are researching every time, and we are thinking about this, and we are supporting to that Korean Institute organization. So we are not stopping. Our next research will be soon in YouTube. So I'm now providing thanks to everyone, because you gave a lot of time to explain our research. So now I'm calling to my research team. Please come to the stage. So those are my team supporters and helpers. Here's Kuluddin and Ahmed and Sujan. Thank you so much for everyone.
And our conclusion is to use the online vehicle successfully and implement online vehicle to Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Thank you so much.